Hello and welcome to this additional or bonus lecture in this course on excellence or digital marketing on artificial intelligence for personalized marketing in digital marketing excellence. So in this section, we will keep adding more and more ways and strategies for being excellent in digital marketing. And we were beginning in this lecture by talking to you about how to use AI for personalized marketing in excelling in digital marketing, right? Great. So, any thoughts on how to use AI for personalized marketing? Anything that you know can recall? See, AI can significantly enhance personalized marketing efforts because by analyzing large data sets, predicting user behavior, and automating personalized content delivery. There are several ways to leverage AI for excellence in digital marketing and achieving personalized marketing. So let's take a look at these. See, first use that you can put AI to is to do customer segmentation. And there, what you do is you use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data and identify patterns. And that helps you create dynamic customer segments based on demographic behavior and preferences. So that's the first use. Then you can also use for predictive analytics, uh, where you employ predictive analytics to forecast future consumer behavior, customer behavior, and that helps you anticipate customer needs, enabling proactive personalized marketing strategies. So another good use of AI in digital marketing is to use predictive analytics this way. Also, you can make personalized recommendation in your digital marketing campaigns by using AI. You can implement recommendation engines powered by machine learning, and these provide customers with personalized products or content recommendation based on their preferences and behaviors. Dynamic content can be optimized. You can do the content optimization dynamically by using AI. You can utilize AI algorithms to dynamically optimize this your website content, and that will result in a tailored website content in real time based on user behaviors and thus improving the engagement with your customer. Chatbots and conversational AI is another application in digital marketing of AI. You can deploy chatbots with natural language processing capabilities, and that will enable real-time personalized interactions, answer queries, and you guide user through buyer journeys. Now, there is a significant difference between conversational AI and chatbots that you can take a look at. Because basically, conversational AI understands and responds to both text and voice commands, whereas chatbot basically responds to the understands only the text-based commands. Rest, I would suggest you to take a look at by downloading the PDF file and you can read this through. Behavioral email targeting is another application of AI in digital marketing. You can analyze user interactions with emails using machine learning algorithms and send targeted and personalized email campaigns based on user behavior and thereby increasing the engagement. Social media advertising also can be powered by AI, where you utilize AI algorithm for social media advertising. You optimize ad targeting, delivery, and creative elements for the personalized campaign. You can also personalize the landing page by implementing AI-driven landing pages that adapt based on the user behavior. And this increases your conversion rates by delivering a personalized experience for each visitor. So this is a very powerful application of AI in the digital marketing. So thank you so much for watching some of the ways that we have talked to you about how can you use AI for personalized marketing in digital marketing. I hope you continue to learn new things, continue to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you somewhere. Please do feel free to reach me out for anything that I can help you with, and also download the PDF file to take a look at anything that we have shown you and you want to take a look at leisure.